Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to remove background using CapCut. First of all, open a new project, select a photo, add it, click on the overlay button, add overlay. Now add another photo, add it too. Now from the options, go to the cutout options. Click on the remove background. You can adjust your photo wherever you want to. I'm adjusting it here. Well, now click on the remove background option. See, the background is removed. Now click on the right side. Simply export it. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.